Hello guys, for today's video we're going to make a cucumber salad here and also the apple one. I'm going to cut this and also we're going to put one apple. I don't know why. And then we're going to put a little bit paminta. A little. And also we're going to put salt. I can't take it. A little bit. And then the last one is the mayo. Here's the finished product. See?